Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? Yes, another lovely little fountain pen. Can anybody recognise what it is? Well, what we have for you here is a Conway Stewart, I believe a Conway Stewart Dinkie fountain pen, made in England and made, I would say, around about the 1930s. And what you'll notice to the very top there, it's what we term as a ring top fountain pen. So let's undo the ring for you there. So there you go, you can see the ring to the very top there. So it's a ring top fountain pen, and as I say, I believe it to be one of the Dinkie family of pens. Now the Dinkie range of fountain pens, they came in lots and lots of different colours, different shapes, sizes, different trim, etc. To be quite honest with you, I'm not 100% sure which particular model this one is. It looks very similar to what we term as the 330, but I don't believe it is that particular model. So yeah, if any of you people know which one it is, then leave a comment below and share it with us. But as I say, what we have is a small Conway Stewart Dinkie fountain pen. From the top of the cap to the bottom of the pen, sorry, bottom of the barrel, 110mm capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 10.5mm in diameter. As we said, it's what we term as a ring top fountain pen, and it's a lever filled fountain pen. If I bring the lever quite close there, you can see it's got the sort of very recognisable early Conway Stewart lever with this sort of large sort of spoon lever to the end. So let's bring it a little bit closer. You can see it's got the Conway Stewart logo to the sort of spoon section there. So it's quite a large lever, again similar to the very earlier models. The only imprint on this particular pen is, if I show you to the sort of just below the lever, you will see it says made in England. Okay, running round the barrel there, made in England. And while we're at it there, you can see to the very bottom of this particular pen, it's actually got a threaded end, sort of threaded end to the barrel, so it allows you to post the cap to the end of the barrel, because obviously with it being a small pen, it'll make it a little bit more comfortable to use. You may have already noticed it's an engine turned fountain pen in black hard rubber. It's got this sort of chequered, yeah, you know, maybe like a checkered effect or a square pattern, and that runs to the cap as well there. So it's got a lovely chasing pattern. You'll notice to the end of the cap there, it's got this quite a large, and it's a slightly raised cap band to the end of the cap there. And as we said earlier, you can see to the very top, it is a ring top fountain pen. So a gorgeous example. As we said earlier, not 100% sure which specific model it is, but I'm sure somebody will tell us. So there's a couple of customary twirls of the pen. Let's pop that to one side. Let's take you up to the section. You can see the section is slightly concave. It's got quite a long section, and then if we show you the nib, it's got a Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib. Let's give you a sideways view, and let's show you the feed underneath, and we've got the sort of quite a recognisable, quite a plain Conway Stewart feed underneath the nib there. As some of you people will know, the Dinkie pens, well, hence the name, they are very small pens. This one's actually quite comfortable to hold with this concave section, but as we said earlier, it's got this thread to the end of the barrel, which allows you to screw the cap on and post like so. Some of you will know I'm not a fan of pens being posted or caps being posted, but this one with having the thread, it was designed to be posted, so hey ho. But yeah, once you post the cap like so, it makes it even more comfortable to write with. Now, because it's going back to our customers, I'm not going to fill the pen, so what we'll do to show you people the pen writing, let's just simply dip it in the ink to the side here, and let's just see how the pen writes. So what we have is a Conway Stewart. As we say, this is one of the pens from the Dinkie family. Again, not 100% sure which model. It may relate to the 330. Again, I'm not too sure. Writing nicely. Does it have any flex? I would say not really. But writing nicely, as you can see there. And again, we're dating the pen from the 1930s. So there's your writing sample. Writing, I would say, with a fine line. Writing nicely, as you'd expect from a Conway Stewart nib. So let's pop that to one side. Let's unscrew the cap from the end of the barrel. Pop it back onto the pen like so, and there we have it. So we've got a nice Conway Stewart Dinkie with this lovely engine turn pattern, as you can see, this cap band to the end from the 1930s. A lovely vintage example. So it'll be going back to the customer, so I'm sure he's going to be more than happy with it after it's been serviced, cleaned, etc. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Leave a comment below, don't be shy, subscribe as well, and if you possibly can, please support my work below. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.